Hello, DJ Robot, and yeah, I'm playing this game, and I don't think you didn't see the cutscene,
Double
but
tap the R1 button to activate hover, and hold the
yeah, structure.
L2 or
Ah,
R2
I
button
forgot
to strafe from side
structure
to side.
pack. Yeah, you mean the Clank new jetpack, which I forgot to change back. Eh, yeah, sorry for the cutscene, but I'm sure you've seen the cutscene in the other video. Yeah, right now I'm starting. Now I'm gonna have to stop the dread sorry blocking or whatever they call the plasma maximum. I forgot what it's named, but anyway, I'm sure you know this weapon. Although not better when you're an evil like you. Sometimes I do like villains, destroy the planets thing. But oh yeah, these guys. Yeah, this is hard, even though they're annoying. Actually, they're not annoying. I just couldn't see this coming. Ah, what's this thing? And I don't have a paper to write it. Yep, I totally forgot. I always. Wow, this is embarrassing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is embarrassing for me. Sorry. Anyway, you'll see the video in the cutscene. Right. Yeah, so I will say that I will let you know the description below when I talk about the video I watched. Oh yeah, I'm heading there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you want to get the trophy collection. You defeat all the guys. We'll see. Oh, gotta be careful. These guys are maybe small, but you melee attack. But even though you miss or not, but they'll keep attacking you. Yep, skill point. Ah, this one I missed. Yeah, and you get the trophy. I'm pretty sure you did. Oh, sorry, I'm pretty sure I did. Oh wait, yeah, I think I already got the trophy before. Sorry, but I wanted to do that. Even though you do get a skill point. Yeah, skill. Yeah, you get it. Anyway, the video I watched is something they call the Best of Achievement Hunter 2017. Yeah, it's not a reward thing, but it shows some of the interesting video. I didn't watch it all, but I'm pretty sure you'll watch it, but well, that's for you to decide if you want to watch it or not. Although some of the video are interesting, even if you have a funny part. Now I would say that this part, well, it's strange. Like these needle bomb, whatever they are, they're pretty hard to avoid them. Okay, this one I would say it's the middle. So I keep attacking the helicopter, block chopper. There we go. Ooh. Uh-oh. Whoa. Ooh, 111. Uh-oh, I'm out of bounds. And there I go. Yeah, I have to make sure to get the ammo.
I got some great bargains for you today. Oh, that's a
Okay.
nice one.
Yeah, these little guy, I don't know what they call, but they're like little gremlin, snow gremlin. Anyway, yeah, I'm avoiding them, and yeah. Ooh. Oh. And huh. Uh oh. 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 Yeah, I would Ross and I wanted to get some bolts. I should think twice before I do something reckless. So yeah, the interesting yeah, as I told you before, and the other now maybe I should yeah, at first it was strange that there's no bomb, but there it is. Like you have to get close. Anyway, I wanted to talk about the Incredible 2. I saw the news, IGN news video, and the trailer, which is the first trailer interesting, even though they didn't realize Jack? Yeah, I think that was a baby name. Like they have a power, they didn't know they didn't know he did. Their family. The Incredible family. I don't know how I say that, but anyway, they didn't know Jack have superpowers. Yeah, they didn't know that Jack had superpowers. Which is interesting, it's some kind of a random power, like transform into a beast, laser eye, flame baby, I don't know, flare, not flare, but burn, I don't know how you say it. And somehow floating, not sure how you say that, but never mind about that. The point is the trailer part, second trailer, which is, I don't know what is interesting. Yeah, they were fighting a villain, which is interesting villain, the bigger thing. I forgot what his name. But what's fascinating to me, it's I don't know, because superhero is illegal, or no, not the illegal. It's in illegal, not illegal. Yeah, I'm sure that was the case. But anyway, yeah, now I feel so sorry for the superhero because it's illegal that, I don't want to say it, but I'm pretty sure you know what's going on. And like, no superhero doing business. No, doing not business. Doing a superhero do. It's a shame, really. I thought they were doing a superhero job, but after seeing what happened, Mr. Incredible fighting the new villain, well, didn't see that coming in. Wow, that's it. And Dash, yeah, I think that was the boys. The one he have super power speed, which it says some of the like. Well, and Mr. Incredible said, what? Well, you'll see in the trailer. And as I told you before, in the description below. But there's more to that. Like, really, I have some kind of a short memory. But I kind of did remember some of them. Like, there was a guy who wanted to hire a superhero, I don't know. Because the guy, I don't know what his name, but he want a Elastigirl. What? A Elastigirl? Really? Not the Incredible family or something? Or Frozo? That's, wow, I don't know how to say. Really, you kind of want to see all superhero action and, wow. And, I thought they're gonna talk Incredible, but well, and like when Elastigirl accepted, and the Mr. Incredible were like, "Oh, I'll take care of the kid." And wow, I'm not sure he can handle it. I mean, he never been trained to be, taking care of the children. yeah, I would do it like that and attacking that, and that's it. Which is strange they didn't do a cutscene when I go through. But yeah, I'm changing the, you know, gadget. There it is.
Too late. The ship is leaving.
Hang on. There's an old defense turret over there. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I sincerely doubt it.
No offense, Clank, but that's the only way. That's the only way. Anyway. So Elastic Girl, yeah, the Elastic Girl, doing a good job. Which I feel so sorry for Mr. Incredible. Because taking care of the child, I don't know, I thought he trained, but no. And he talked about, you know, he talked to Frozo about the, I don't know what they say, but to being back on the top. But the first time Frozo saw, whoa, like saw Jack teleport. Like, he didn't know that Jack had a superpower. Oh, not sure you say. I mean, some of the trailers, like you saw the video, like they might be funny parts. And I forgot what her name. You know I can't say what's her name, but they were like little. I wouldn't call them little girl, but she's a woman and she's little. But you'll see in the trailer. It's a good thing she's back, but hopefully, you know, in the first movie, I like that character, like when she's talking about the superpower, yeah, and when she said "Etnamo" and guess, oh, well, not that part. Like, see, that character is interesting to me. Like, when she know the superhero, I mean, wow, they know superhero, and she said no cape. Yeah, you know the Superman have a cape. Yeah, like something like that, and she no cape.
Actually, that doesn't sound too dangerous.
I mean, sorry, I'm pretty sure that more I should tell you, but I can't remember. Like she talked to Elastic Girl, like
destroy anything that doesn't
I can't say.
Oh, and don't forget, have fun.
We must get to the moon base and stop Drek.
No, we have to get to the moon base to find Quark. If Drek is there, Quark is probably with him.
But Drek is going to destroy that city. We must get to the base.
That's what I said.
No,
that is what I said.
Fine.
Yeah, that was what the Clank said.
Fine.
As I don't know what am I going to say, but yeah, that's all I know from the Incredible 2 trailer. But you'll watch it and you'll know something. Anyway, so I'm not so that's not the other thing is I'm not sure if the movie gonna be awesome or like how do you say the IGN review that whether 8 out of 10 or 6 out of 10. You never know. But who knows? Hopefully, maybe there could be a, I'm not sure. I cannot say the best because I'm not sure. Really, I'm not sure of it. Now, oh yeah, I try to find a way to get down. There's no a taxi or anything, so here I am. I did. Now I'm checking the map and explore the ice waves. I think. I don't know.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Anyway, I need to get more ammo somehow. But I think I'm fine now. I should keep going and yeah, there's an interesting video that I'll, you know, like I feel so sorry for this guy, and even though it turned out okay, I mean there might be a problem with, you know, when some people, like, I don't know if they stole their video or stole their ideas, but it's some people making their own channel and they wanted to upload, but they stole some other channel, and that's not good. Why would they do that? I understand that you can make a video, but they stole the channel from from the other channeling. I don't know how you say it. Anyway, the other guy's channel. I mean, that's just not fair. That you create your own channel account and you steal someone's video. It's just not right. But luckily he's okay, and like I said, you know, before in the description below. Honestly, that's all I know. Yeah, honestly, that's all I know. So I can't tell what day it is, or but I can tell you this that hopefully I have time, but I don't want to say it, but maybe in the I didn't put the other, I don't know. There's an interesting video about Jumanji 1995 versus 2017. Like, you know, versus in Mojo. I hope you did watch him. If you don't, then like I said before. Now, there's something I never heard of video games or anime series. Like for example, the game Shadow of Colossus. I never heard of it, and frankly, I'm not interested in playing it. But it does interesting, like the monsters thing and the journey and the bigger world. They remastered the game. But the other thing is that story about the boy saving the girl, but it feels bothered to me that are you playing a villain to destroy the Guardian? Or saving the girl? I don't know. I mean, why you need to destroy the Guardian? But like, honestly, it's confused for me. Well, I could say confused, but it feels, I don't know if, even if I play the game, but I'm sure you guys did. I didn't see the cutscene, but sometimes when I play the game, am I doing the right thing or something? I'm sure, I know it's like a history, like you're playing the game history or whatever. But for me, I'm not sure I wanted to play Shadow of Colossus. But I don't know, or Shadow of Guardian? It was Shadow of Colossus? It was. Yeah, I kind of bit confused. But anyway. Maybe I should tell you about something that, I can't tell you my top favorite, but here's what I like it about something. Gundam. At first, it was talking about the robot, but the mechs, that's great. A mech. Gundam mechs. Which is interesting. See, I did watch some of the series, I did see the English, but not all of the English. Like, I did see Gundam Seed Destiny. I think it's one of my favorite shows. Fortunately, Gundam Seed Destiny, it does seem to be the I think. But unfortunately, well, when I heard about what happened to the video when they make the series, Gundam series, I'm not sure if I have the video, but if I did find it, maybe I'll show you in the description below. Maybe. It's like, I mean, Gundam Seed is awesome, but Gundam Seed Destiny they say it wasn't a good, like, you know how the people work or making the animated series? Like, they did make the good show, but they like, you know, like, thinking about the money they made, like, they made higher, or, well, I don't want to talk about the money, but think about how the show wasn't that good, or something. I mean, it wasn't, sometimes they say it wasn't good, like, it's like sometimes when you do the making a video, like, it's hard to explain. Like sometimes that they forgot to remember that.
Hey, buddy, what's shaking?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
Maybe I'll say another time.
Aren't you?
No, there's
Just
something
a
about the
little
character that I kind of like.
Actually, I'm a little
Speak,
robot.
or she's voice. She sound like a
You're
farmer
funny
people,
too.
Yeah?
and I kind of
Looks
like that
aren't
one.
everything.
You be nice. I think I got
Although
something
it's too bad
special
she
for
wasn't in
you.
the
How would
reboot
you
of
like a
Ratchet and
hydro
Clank.
pack upgrade?
I really want
That
her
would
to
be quite
be in there.
helpful for swimming
It
underwater.
takes some time,
Whatever.
whether she can be helpful or, you know, like when she'll give
There you go,
gave
sweetie.
Clank a
You
new
look so
weapon.
handsome.
Not a
Thank
new
you,
weapon, a new
miss.
gadget.
Your craftspersonship is excellent.
If you two are through,
Jealous?
You come back and see me any old time.
Your hydro pack will automatically equip when you're swimming.
I know, it
The
wasn't that
hydro
funny.
pack lets you swim against currents.
Sorry. So that's why there's a video, one of my favorite video, which is the top 10 X Gundam, which is some of the Gundam I like. It's too bad one of them I like, it wasn't in there. But they have a good reason for it. Sure, they got some design and awesome moves, but even though sometimes I don't know why they didn't put on the list, or should be on honorable mention. But that's the pen. That's the pen. Anyway, I'm going to this side since yeah, I'm looking for. I forgot what the rock name. Dang it, what's the name? Oh, God, I forgot the name. Raritanium? Yeah, Raritanium. That I'm pretty sure I remember. Raritanium, but it's not the crystal Raritanium? Huh. Strange. But yeah. As I said, I thought it was a Gundam. I thought it was a robot, but no, it was a Max. Although sometimes I wish it's somewhere reality, it's somewhere in the universe, that the Gundam will be a robot, but yeah, giant robot. It's similar to the Transformer, but it cannot be similar, like same as the Transformer, but it cannot be transformed. Well, most of them Gundam could, like Mobile Suit. What am I saying? Like most of the Mobile Suit could. But actually, my theory, I don't know if they could do a living Gundam, like living robot. But I don't know. Maybe not this one. Although the interesting, like, actually not interesting, but what something that is interesting, like something about the SD Gundam. It's like the people doesn't like that show. Not very much. I don't know why, but even I do like it, but it's like they say that what's a bad idea? Like, what's a bad idea? But I'm pretty sure you know the show called Adventure Disc War. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you probably don't like it. And now that I think about it, at first I like it, but I'm not sure if I like it or not. Because, I mean, the hero design, what else? Yeah, the Marvel hero design, and it's like kind of a bit difficult to say. Maybe that wasn't even a good idea. Not like beyond my imagination. Beyond my imagine. Yeah, I should say not beyond my imagine. And yeah, I'm pretty sure. Look, I really don't want to say this, but it should have been a good idea. I mean, why they decided to make that show? But that's not my. Well, I don't know why. I just don't want it to make sure that. So, yeah, Avengers is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I found the video that something that interesting me that why the people doesn't like that show, but sorry, I just don't know. Now this location is pretty hard. Oh yeah, I should say something about the location about... I forgot about the world. Like this snow, I mean, I like... It's a good thing they put a snow planet. But, I forgot about that music. Ratchet, sorry. I could not make it speak louder. Yeah. I always speak low. So, right, I think that the snow music, this planet music, it's a bit of so-so.
Oh, heck.
Is there a problem, sir?
Y'all wouldn't have any spare parts, would you?
Help yourself.
These dang rocks are too tough. I keep breaking my drill.
That rock is raritanium.
Let me look at that drill.
Well, shoot my dog and call me Sally. Thanks, partner.
No problem. I suppose I could take that rock off your hands, too.
Heck, here you go.
Yeah, we got that. Now to, you know, get back to the planet. Now, yeah. I think that's all. Oh, well, hold on. Yeah, the snow planet is definitely awesome location. You know, they have some, you know, to take down that missile thing. And I forgot to say about the, you know, the other planet where, you know, where I talk about the, like a gas toxic thing. The music, yeah, you know, I would say both of the music are so-so. Yeah. Now I'm hitting, I don't know if I'm hitting that one or not, like, you know, a body moon, no, not a body, sorry, that's not what I meant. Yeah, I'm going back to think for a second. Yeah, that's all for today. Hope to see you next time. Alright, bye. Oh, sorry. Bye.